So welcome to this video. So in this video I'll be covering these stuffs. So first one is design a backup strategy plan for the application, and then discuss about the pros and cons of that selected plan, and point in time recovery options. So this scenario I have listed down here. So you can see the full backup is taken at this time 11:23 p.m. on May 6, and then the execution of selecting top 5 records from the selected database on the same day and this time, right? This happened at 11:53:23 p.m. This happened at 11:53:36 p.m. and the LB drop the constraint at midnight on next day, and delete top 5 records on the same day on this time, right? So then again the differential backup is taken at on this day and this time, and the transaction log backup is taken at this date this time. So then we have completed the taken all backups and the executions, everything. So then start the restoring. The restoring happened at this time, this date. Then the transaction log backups taken every every 10-20 minutes. So I have listed down here, and the option we have selected is point in time recovery. Using this option we recovered the database. We are going to recover the database what was available the data at this time. That means on this time before the full backup is taken, before deleting the records and everything, you are going to restore to the state which available all the data as it is. So okay, let's do that thing. Go to the server, and in the demonstration papers I can't demonstrate and creating the backup at this day and then again the next day and everything. So what I do is I'll show how to take those kind of backups, like full backup, differential backup, transaction log backups and everything, and I'll show how to execute these commands also, and how after restoring how it recovered the original database and everything. Okay, so let's do. Before moving to the taking the backup, you have to select the database. You have to verify the database is as it is in the full recovery model. So we'll make sure that go to options, and if it is not in the full recovery, you have to select the full recovery. So okay, so then start, and we'll execute this statement first. This statement, okay, from the adventure web database and from the table of person. Okay, so these are the records. You can see start name, first name, J, and okay, you can see here. So now what I do is I am going to take the backup. Okay, so sorry, oops, connect and tasks and backup. So I'm going to take the full backup. Okay, so here the options are available. I'm going to take the full backup, full database backup to this location. Okay, the default location. Yeah, that's all. We can click. Okay. So we have performed the full backup. So now what we are going to do is we are going to execute these delete statements. Delete, drop the constraint and delete the records. So let me do this. Yeah, done. And we delete this records also. Yes, perfect. So now what we are going to do is we are going to take the differential backups, since we did the perform the modifications since the took the full backup. So these modification will be stored in the differential backups. So same way. Here you have to select the backup type differential and make sure about the this path, or else it will override the backups in here. So on this you go with the default directory. If you want, you can change it, no matter. So I'll give the names as differential adventure backups. Okay. We'll remove this. Good. So now what we are going to do is, so we did this, we took the differential. Now we are going to take the transactional log. Backup. Okay. So we can make sure that the whole backup for inside the directory. So yeah, this is the backup. See, so this is the full backup and differential one, and this is the transactional log. Great. So now what we are going to do is we are going to restore it to the point, this point, right? That means this point, sorry, that means the execution of selecting statement or before. Okay, so that click on task restore database. So here you can see we are going to restore full differential and transformation and everything. And in the option tabs, you have to select this option, override with existing databases. So what it does, so you are selecting this option, existing connections, disabling it, because when restoring happens, if there is any existing client connection, then it won't successfully restore. So you have to take this one, close the existing connection, and then again here you have to took only the full backup. You don't need this to, you can select the full backup options. It's fine. So now what we are going to do, so we can see now it's in restoring, can't perform the query. So you have to perform the restore the transaction logs. This is the point where you specify this one, the point in time recovery. You can understand this. So particular that time. Options. What options? Here. This one is specific that. Okay. The time we can see. Creating. Okay. So let's see the records selected now. Simply for this you have to disable cache. No. So yeah, great. It's because of its storing the cache and everything. So once you disable it, you can select recovered successfully. Great. So these are the records. So using transaction logs, point in time recovery, you recovered the database successfully. So